All right, now we're doing 10-22. How does the amount of fabric required to make the cylindrical bag compare to the amount of fabric required to make the square-based prism bag? How much will each bag hold? Based on this information, which bag style do you think the CPM Sports Company should make? Explain your reasoning. Okay, well, first we're going to have to compare information. So we'll compare the cylindrical bag or cylinder, I'll just cylinder, to the square-based. All right, so let's see. So first of all, the amount of fabric. So the amount of fabric would be comparable to the surface area of both. So let's gather this information. Let's see. For the cylinder, the surface area was right here, 2,510.76. So that's 2,510.76 inches squared. And the square-based, the surface area of that one is right here. So 2,418 inches squared. And then they're asking, how much will each bag hold? So the inside would be the volume for both of them. So let's compare the volume. The volume of this bag we just calculated, so that's 8,615.2, and that's inches cubed. And the volume of the prism is 6,760 inches cubed. Okay, so let's compare. So we've got a bag that takes this much versus this much. So the cylinder takes more fabric because it's a bigger number. But the volume, or the amount that the bag holds, is also quite a bit bigger. So it's like maybe about 100 inches squared more, but it gives about almost 2,000 or just over 2,000 more inches cubed. But because it takes more material, it's going to cost more to make, so they're going to have to charge more. So will the increased size matter to our customer? So you get to decide whether you think they should make the more expensive bag that holds more or the less expensive bag that doesn't hold as much, but you can make the price less. So will you get more customers if you have a bag that costs less, or will you get more customers if you have a little more expensive bag that holds a lot? You decide.